Today's session I am going to discuss about citric acid. Citric acid is a type of hydroxy acid. The other name of citric acid is beta hydroxy tricarboxylic acid. The IUPAC name of citric acid is 2-hydroxypropane 1,2,3 triic acid. This is the structure of citric acid. Preparation. Citric acid occurs in citrus fruits like lemon, orange, etc. It is manufactured by solution of glucose, sucrose or purified canned molasses in the presence of certain inorganic salts by various molds or fungi. This is the fermentation reaction. Next, synthesis. So first synthesis is from glycerol. What is the glycerol? The structure of glycerol is CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is trihydroxypropane. So I put number 1, 2, 3. This is used for understanding to which carbon involves in the reaction. So glycerol is first treated with hydrochloric acid to form glycerol 1,3-dichlorohydrin. So first and third carbon involving in the reaction, it undergoes oxidation to form dichloroacetone. This is treated with HCN. So carbonyl group converts to cyanohydrin, which is treated with potassium cyanide to form 1,2,3 tricyano 2-hydroxypropane. It involves in hydrolysis to form citric acid. Second synthesis is citric acid is synthesized from bromoacetic ester and oxaloacetic ester. This is a reformist reaction. So bromoacetic ester and oxaloacetic ester combine together in the presence of zinc to form organozinc compound. This organozinc compound undergoes hydrolysis to form citric acid. So next properties. So first property is reduction. Here hydrogen iodide acts as a reducing agent. So citric acid is reduced by hydrogen iodide to form tricarboxylic acid. It is also known as tricarboxylic acid. So here I show the reaction. Citric acid undergoes reduction to form tricarboxylic acid with the potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. Citric acid reacted with the potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. It gives corresponding salt. Citric acid reacts with the KOH. It forms tripotassium citrate, or it reacts with the sodium hydroxide to form tripotassium citrate. Next is heating. So on heating at 150 degrees centigrade, citric acid is converts to aconitic acid. Here one water molecule is eliminated. So citric acid undergoes dehydration to form aconitic acid. With the fuming sulfuric acid, citric acid reacts with the fuming sulfuric acid, gives acetone dicarboxylic acid. With the copper sulfate and sodium carbonate, citric acid reacts with the copper sulfate sodium carbonate mixture. It gives cupric citrate complex. This is the reaction. This cupric citrate complex also called as Benedict solution. It is a mixture of copper sulfate, sodium carbonate and citric acid. Pyrolysis. On pyrolysis, citric acid gives a number of products such as citric acid undergoes pyrolysis. To formic acid is eliminated from citric acid to form acetone dicarboxylic acid, which undergo decarboxylation. So first it forms acetoacetic acid. It further undergoes decarboxylation to form acetone. So what are the other possibility? So dehydration is also possible in citric acid by pyrolysis. In case water is eliminated, citric acid is converts to aconitic acid. In aconitic acid, 3 acidic groups are there. So here I put 1, 2, 3 for our convenient. So first decarboxylation occurs at first carbon to form etagonic acid. Suppose the decarboxylation takes place at third carbon atom to form citrogonic acid. Both are undergoes dehydration to form corresponding anhydride. Etagonic acid undergoes dehydration to form etagonic anhydride. The citrogonic acid undergoes dehydration to form citrogonic anhydride. Uses: citric acid used in confectionaries and also used in synthetic fruit drinks, and it is used as a mordant in dyeing and printing in the form of esters like tributyl citrate, which is used as a solvents in industries. So in the form of magnesium citrate used as laxative. So laxative means it is used to prevent constipation. In the form of ferric ammonium citrate, it is used to preparing blueprints and also used in medicine for iron deficiency. And citric acid as the sodium citrate used in baby food to prevent curdling of milk. Thank you.